Guys, welcome to WP Inventor. Today is a big day because WordPress released its 5.8 version, so there is lot of new feature in it. So today we're gonna discuss how it impact the WordPress website and what new features we get in this update. So I just installed it, WordPress 5.8, the next stop on the road to full site editing. So let's see what's in it. 3 essential powerhouses. So first, manage widgets with blocks. So here is some new block settings. After months of hard work, the power of the block has come to both the block widget editor and the customizer. So yes, there is a new function of blocks here. After that, display posts with new blocks and patterns. So here you can see here is a 2 patterns here or blocks here, like this kind of thing. Yes, it's very good thing. Edit the templates around posts, so you can made your custom templates to customize your post. So it's also a very good feature. There are more than 20 new blocks, so they added new 20 blocks in it, so it's good. 3 workflow helpers. So yes, it has new workflow helpers. So post date, post title, post excerpt. Yes, so very interesting feature. Suggested pattern for blocks. So yes, it will suggest you a pattern for blocks. It's very good feature. Style and colorize image. Wow, this is amazing. Colorize your image cover blocks with the duotone filter. Amazing. It's a very amazing thing. You can make your images like this, like dual tone. Amazing. For developer to explore. Yes, there is some kind of code here, but we are WordPress developers, so we always stay away from the coding because we have to use WordPress plugins to do our things easily. So yes, something more in it. Dropping support for Internet Explorer 11. So yes, this is also a good move. Yes, adding support for Webp. Wow, it's amazing. Webp is very good format. If you're using PNG or any other file format, if you convert it into Webp, the size of image is very small, but the quality is very good in Webp, and it loads faster than any other format. So it's a very good, it's the need of modern WordPress. So it's a very good move that they added Webp support. Before this, we have to add some extra code in our theme or in our coding part of the website to enable Webp, but it's now embedded inside the WordPress. So it's a very good thing. Additional block support. So yes, here is some additional things. 5.6, 5.7, WordPress 5.8 introduce several, so it's continuous updating their support. So my favorite thing is additional support for Webp. So here you can read something. Webp is modern image format that provide improved lossless and lossy compression for the image. So yes, so it's a very good feature. It will improve your site speed as well if you are using Webp images, and it's very low size image with high quality in it. So it's a good update. So that's it for today, guys. Do like our video if you like this, and do comment if you want any other topic. If you want video on any other topic, you can comment on it. So that's it for today. Thanks.